how to remove recently played on Spotify. So you can simply open up your Spotify application, and once you open your Spotify, now here on the bottom you can see that you will have this recently played on Spotify, right? So if you want to so if you go to your library here, you will have all of your recents, right? So if you want to remove the recent played, or if you want to hide that, then what you can do is you can simply play numerous songs. Like you can simply play 9 to 10 songs, and once you play those songs, then your previously played will be removed and your recently played will be changed. So that's an option to remove your recently played, or that's how you hide your recently played song. But you can also do another thing. You can simply open up your Play Store, and here you can go for the search bar and search for Spotify. Once you've searched, if you have an update option, then simply go for update and update your application. And after updating, you can open up your settings and then scroll down and go for apps. And you can open up your Spotify on your settings and go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. And you can also clear your storage if you want to. And once you clear your storage, now you can simply tap and hold on to that power button, and you need to restart your device. And once you restart your device, now your problem will be fixed. Your recently played will be removed from Spotify. So that's it. That's how you remove your recently played on your Spotify. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.